Hey there, I'm Sarah and welcome to my Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic review. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement. It helps men and women burn fat fast using a simple 20-second Japanese tonic. This supplement contains a comprehensive combination for fat-burning ingredients. This will be helpful for those who have had challenges in losing weight. Engaging in a lot of exercises is not necessary by taking this supplement, but you just may need to alter your diet plans. I'm not suggesting any strict or starving diet plans, but you will need to avoid some of the fake health foods out there and replace them with tasty fat-burning foods. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement contains traditional ingredients used by the Japanese to shed fat, lower cholesterol levels, maintain proper blood circulation in the body, etc., and claims to be able to give you a guaranteed 100% rate of success. Everyone in the world knows that Japanese people are always fit and elegant and live longer than any other race. This Flat Belly Tonic supplement is conceptualized by ancient Japanese methods for longer and stress-free lives. Is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic safe? Well, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is produced by a professional laboratory backed up by solid scientific research and is made in a clean, modern, FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility with regular audits and quality checks. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement is free of all allergens, contains natural ingredients, and is perfectly safe. If you have a medical condition, it's recommended you discuss it with your doctor. It's not a fat-burning pill or medication. It contains nature's finest nutrients for all-day metabolism support. You won't feel jittery or on edge. Instead, you'll be overflowing with energy. For more information about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, please click on the link which is down below in the description of this YouTube video.